the needs of their customers. By leveraging their expertise and experience, gardeners can expand their business beyond just selling. Reduce and offer a range of services that meet the needs of their customers. It's worth noting that making money from a backyard garden is not just about generating revenue. It's also about building community and connecting with others who share a love of gardening and local food. By participating in farmers markets, joining community gardening groups, and hosting events such as garden tours and cooking demonstrations, gardeners can build relationships with customers and other members of the local food community. Consider the seasonality of your crops. Depending on your location, certain crops may only be in season for a short period of time. To maximize profits, it's important to plan ahead and stagger planting times so that you have a steady supply of produce throughout the year. This may involve investing in a greenhouse or other season-extending tools. Experiment with heirloom and unique varieties. While traditional supermarket produce may be less expensive, many customers are willing to pay a premium for unique, heirloom, or hard-to-find varieties. Experiment with heirloom and unique varieties. While traditional supermarket produce may be less expensive, many customers are willing to pay a premium for unique, heirloom, or hard-to-find varieties. Experimenting with new and unusual crops can set your garden apart from competitors and create a niche market for your products. Collaborate with local chefs and restaurants. Chefs and restaurants are often on the lookout for fresh, high-quality produce to use in their dishes. By partnering with local establishments, gardeners can tap into a new customer base and potentially command higher prices for their products. Consider value-added products. In addition to preserving produce, gardeners can also create value-added products such as herbal teas, herb-infused oils, or dried fruit and vegetable snacks. Consider value-added products. In addition to preserving produce, gardeners can also create value-added products such as herbal teas, herb-infused oils, or dried fruit and vegetable snacks. These products can be sold at a premium and extend the shelf life of the produce. Get creative with marketing. In addition to traditional marketing methods such as flyers and social media, gardeners can get creative with how they promote their products. For example, setting up a roadside stand with attractive signage can attract passers-by, while hosting a garden-to-table dinner or farm-to-fork event can help build relationships with customers and generate buzz around your products. Consider selling seedlings. Many gardeners are interested in starting their own gardens but don't have the time, space, or expertise to start plants from seed. Consider selling seedlings. Many gardeners are interested in starting their own gardens but don't have the time, space, or expertise to start plants from seed. By selling seedlings or small plants, you can tap into this market and offer customers a convenient and affordable way to start their own gardens. Offer XA, Community Supported Agriculture, Program. XA program allows customers to pre-purchase a share of the garden's harvest, which they receive on a regular basis throughout the growing season. This provides a predictable source of income for the gardener and a reliable supply of fresh produce for the customer. Sell herbs and spices. Fresh herbs and spices are often expensive at the grocery store, but they're relatively easy to grow in a backyard garden.